We're the McSheffreys. We have some fun science experiments for you.
Hope you like them.
Okay, are you guys ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is called Magic Milk. Hey, Andrew, what do we need?
Okay. So now dish soap
Okay, what else?
and food paint and also milk.
You guys got it. All right, I'm going to put the milk in first. Okay, and then we'll put some of the food coloring in.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
We'll put in some blue. We'll put in some yellow.
Looks like a
Spread it
burning
around.
painting.
Like a burning painting. We'll put in some red around.
Burning painting.
Aiden's favorite color and some green. All right, Aiden, are you going to do the magic touch with the soap in the middle?
And the middle.
Here it comes.
Wow.
Oh, pretty.
It looks like-
Wow.
It looks like a map.
It's like a tie-dye. That was pretty cool, right?
Like perfect.
Yeah, it does. Wow.
So are you gonna make a
You
dress?
guys did a great job.
For our next project, it's going to be pencils and a bag of water. You need a bag of water and pencils well sharpened.
What do you think? Do you think the pencils will...
Burst it, maybe.
What do you think, Allie?
No.
You don't think it will?
No.
Do you think it'll go right through?
Yeah.
What do you think, Andrew? Is it going to make it explode? Or do you think the pencil will make it go through?
I think it was blue.
You do. What did you say, Aiden? It'll explode?
I think it will actually go through.
You do? Well, I don't
Yeah,
want to
I
hold
think
it. Do you want to hold it?
Nope.
All right, Aiden, go ahead. I'll hold it for you. Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Nice.
It went right through. All right, go ahead, Allie. Oh my gosh.
Whoa, it's
That's
like,
crazy.
It's like sea typing.
Well, I think you have to keep it going. All right, ready, Andrew? You gonna try? Oh, good job, Andrew. Whoa, you guys, look at this. All right, one more for good luck. Nice job. Look at all those pencils.
Wow.
Cool. You guys were right. Oh, right. Did you think it was gonna explode? I thought it might have.
No.
Actually,
job.
Andrew was wrong.
You guys
Andrew
forgot
was
all of it. I thought it might explode, right, Andrew?
Andrew.
Good job, you guys. Hi, everyone. Today we're going to make chromatography flowers. Allie, do you want to tell them what they need?
You need a coffee
Filter.
and 2 cups of water, and you also need markers.
Great. Do you want to show them how to fold the coffee filter? Go ahead.
First, you can take a coffee folder, then is it this one?
Yep. Fold it in half.
So you fold it like this. So you fold it. Now it looks like a half of a sun. You need it to be folded again, hamburger style. And then you need to be folded again, hamburger style. Looks like this. Wait.
And then you can color it, right?
And then you need a piece of paper on the bottom. And then here's the time where you take your markers. So you color any designs on the piece of paper.
Great. Here's yours. You want to color too?
So you color
Okay.
any design on the. Oh no.
That's okay. Great. Agree.
So you color any design on the paper you want. But if you want, it can be colorful. If you want, it can be like any color.
Yeah, like we made a few examples, right?
Yeah,
Some
we
polka
made
dots,
examples.
or lines, and stripes.
Yes, and you could also do squiggly lines if you like.
Do you want to show them what happens when you put them in now?
Yes.
All right,
So
Avery can keep coloring. Go ahead.
if you put them in, then
Turn it this way.
So if you put it in, then it starts making a connection with the thing. So first the green gets wet, then it goes up all the way to the blue. Then the blue goes all the way up to the purple. Now it goes to the yellow and the red.
Yeah, it soaks up and it doesn't even touch the water, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you can open it up.
Then you can take it out and open it up. And then it's a beautiful masterpiece.
Pretty, Avery. Oh, it's pretty.
Tiny.
You did good.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
It's pretty. Thank you.
Hello, this time we're doing fizzy drops. You're gonna need 3 cups of vinegar, baking soda, and food coloring.
Yeah, 3 little bowls, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. All right. Should we put the food coloring in?
Mm-hmm. Blue.
We'll make a blue one.
Blue, I guess.
And yellow.
All 3 primary, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe they'll mix into some secondary again.
Roll in. Yeah, maybe. That would be cool if it would.
Yeah. All right, let me mix them a little bit and you guys can pour them in and see what happens. All right, which one do you want, Aiden?
I want red.
I'll
Red,
take
of course.
blue.
All right, let him do his first.
Little drops.
Ooh. No wonder they're called fizzy drops. Oh, cool. Should I try to mix yours in and see if we make orange, Aiden?
Okay.
Whoa. Looks like orange.
It does. It
Yeah,
makes
it is
orange.
orange.
Go ahead, Allie. You want to mix yours a little?
Yeah.
I'll put some and see if we make green.
It's making green.
Yeah, right there.
Whoa.
Try some red.
Purple. Wait, I don't see purple.
Not
Yeah. Go a little bit.
A little bit.
I
Go
don't
ahead,
see
Allie. You want to
purple.
put some in the middle?
Yeah.
I like how it fizzes.
That's like more blue.
Oh, now
Oh yeah, I see the purple for sure.
I see purple.
Ew, I don't see purple. I see blue.
All right, go ahead, Aiden. Make it fizz like crazy. Ready? Wow.
Oh my god.
Pretty
That's
cool.
That's basically a green mess.
Can I touch it? Can I touch it?
Green and blue mess.
Oh, can I touch it?
All right.
This is called the tornado.
So you can use one of these caps to make this tornado, or you can use regular old duct tape. I'm gonna be using this thing, I think.
Okay, what else do you need, Aiden?
And then you're gonna need 2 bottles. Make sure one of them is filled with water. Otherwise it's not really gonna make a very good tornado.
And then should we, sorry.
I'll
Should
look
we
at
put in,
that.
thanks buddy. Should we put in some of the food coloring?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll make it blue so it's like water. Thanks, Andrew.
There you go.
There we go.
Sorry to
We're
plunder.
dropping everything. All right, we're gonna put this one on. Then screw on the other one. Go ahead.
Is this for show tell?
Right? Is it still the same thing? Yeah, it's still the same.
Or can you use like blue duct tape?
Yeah, or we could use this green duct tape and it would secure it the same as that middle piece, right? Good job, Andrew.
And then let's flip it.
All right, do you remember how to shake it?
And then you spin it in a circle. Oh. Then you spin it in a circle to make it tornado a little bit.
All right, stop it for a sec. See if it did it. Oh, what do you think, Andrew?
Good.
Almost. Oh, I think it needs another spin.
You're
Wanna help, Andrew? All right, let's see if it worked. There you go. Cool. turned out good.
Huh?
It's turning
Nice
like
job.
it's
Yeah.
turning like
I like the
a
bottom.
tornado in there.
It is. And it makes like a waterfall on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool.
Inside's the
Or like a little bit
tornado.
of a rain. Oh.
That turned out good. Nice job, you guys. Way to go.
And you can actually see the
Have fun with us. Thanks, Mr. McSheffrey, for videotaping. Bye,
Bye.
everyone.